Dude, can you see that I'm not wearing pants? I hope not. Hey everyone, what's up? I've been sent like a billion of these little lights, and I just got sent another one, which is right above me here. I'm using it in this video, featuring it. I'll link the product below in the description if you're interested. I think it's a pretty cool light. So since I got sent this light, let me give you a quick tip about lighting and how this light, even though it's subtle, can make a big difference to how your subject looks. Right now, the light is set up as a kicker light, backlight, or a hair light, whatever you want to call it. It's set up above and behind the subject. So look at what it's doing to my hair. That's what you call sexy hair. But I think it makes your subject look a lot better. Here, I'll show you what I look like with and without the light on. You're the best. Can you still hear my whispering? I'm testing this Rode micro, mic, wireless micro, mic. Boom. Yeah, so here we go. Let's turn it on. Boom, see? Just that little subtle change can make a nice difference. Look at that. I think this makes the subject a little more flattering. It separates them from the background a little more, gives more shape to their head, their shoulders a little bit, their hair. Just an idea for you to try if you're just starting with lighting. You can even use your cell phone flashlight as your backlight. Sometimes I do that, like, you know, just do this and hold it behind and above your subject. The light that I have up there, it's from Vidgem. So I'm just featuring it in this video, using it on it. You can see the battery percentage as well as the amount of hours left it can run on the battery. And you can change the color temperature from 3500 to 56 Kelvin. And then you can change the power output or the brightness from 0 to 100%. And then whichever settings you use, the amount of hours left on the battery will change depending on your settings that you have. So that's really helpful actually. And then it's a USB-C charging. I've used it in the past 2 photography shoots that I've done as sort of like a kicker or hair light. Thanks for sending me all these lights. I have so many now. I'll link this lighting kit that I'm using as well, the key light and that light back there, in the description. I think it's a really good lighting kit, like bang for your buck lighting kit. It has a really good color accuracy and it's really portable. That's pretty much it. I hope that was a little bit helpful, especially for those who are just starting to do lighting. That's gonna be it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys next time.